What's up, guys? Hope you're all having a great day. Welcome to episode 3 of showing you guys how I take a store from $0 to $1,000 a day within a week. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I set up my Instagram business page for my e-commerce companies and how I make it look good and basically set everything up. So I'm going to be on my phone showing you guys how to do that, as well as the best Shopify apps that you need for your store in order to make a lot of sales. So first things first, I'm going to show you guys on my phone how I set up my Instagram pages. And then after that, we're going to be on my computer and I'm going to be showing you guys what apps I put into my store before we launch it, just to make sure we get the most sales possible. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay guys, so now I have my phone and I am on this Instagram account, this extra account that I have that is a food account that has 42,000 followers. And the reason I'm showing you that is because this is the page I'm going to be using for my Tetralove business Instagram page, because it's just an extra account that I've had that I haven't really used in a long time. So I'm not going to waste that. I'm just going to use it as the e-commerce company page. So usually if I'm creating a new e-commerce store, I will create a brand new Instagram account from scratch and then I will add 10,000 fake followers to it. And I know that sounds bad, fake followers, but really you need it when you're starting an e-commerce company, because if your e-commerce company Instagram only has 0 followers and you're promoting that brand, these products, and people go and they see that you only have 0 followers, then they're way less likely to actually buy something because there's no sense of credibility. You need credibility to build up onto your business. And so with 10,000 fake followers, it seems that there's already an established sort of business there, that an audience that has already been there and seen that. So people are more likely to actually go on the page, check it out. They may not buy something, but at least they feel that it's credible and it's a good source for these products. So guys, if you have an e-commerce company and you don't have over 10,000 followers, then you're losing out on some money and potential customers. So guys, what I do is get 10,000 fake followers, and the website that I get them from is instapanel.org. I believe it's about $3 per 1,000 followers. So it's not that bad, but I have this extra food account, so I'm going to take that to my advantage. And right now I'm going to delete all the posts and everything and basically make it blank. And then we'll actually get started on how I make this page look good and bring it to life. So I'll be back in 1 second. Okay guys, so now I'm back on my phone here, and as you can see, I deleted all the posts, the bio, the name, and everything. So I wanted to change the name to Tetralove, but it was already taken, so I just made it Tetralove Official. So as you see here, I have the username is Tetralove Official, as well as the name here on the actual page. And now we need a profile picture. So as you saw in the logo I made in the last video, it's sort of wide, so I really wouldn't be able to fit that into that circle and make it look good. So I think I'm just going to use that gold rose thing that I had, the little outline. So I'm going to go to Google here on my phone and type in, I think I typed in gold rose PNG images. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so now I've saved that, and now what I have to do is go here to this app called Fonto. So now I'm in this app called Fonto that I'm going to use to actually make it proportional so I can actually put it in the circle. So I'm going to press plain image, white one, apply, use, and now I'm going to add this image. Okay, so now it's on there. I'm just going to go ahead and center that and then save it. So now when I go back to Instagram and I go to upload this picture, it pops up right here and I'm able to just zoom in on it, make it look good. Okay, done. There we go. Looks perfect. So now we have our name and the profile picture. So now we need to create a very important component for our Instagram page, which is the bio. So let's go here to my notes and create one. So all of my bios, whether it's a personal account, an e-commerce company, whatever, I like to start it off with a bio for each section, and I like to have about 3 to 4 lines. So I'm not going to worry about the emojis yet. I'm just going to worry about the words I'm going to say. So I'm going to say as the first line, I can usually do this pretty quick. I just try to keep it simple. I'm going to say, the gift that keeps on giving. Then I'm going to say exclusive 24-hour sale. I'm going to copy this and then go back to my Instagram here and paste that into my store. Okay, so now we have that, and I'm going to add the website, tetralove.com. Okay, I don't know, it looks a little weird. I think I need to change those emojis. Now we have that. I think that looks well. So now I'm going to show you guys how I create posts. So when you first create your business Instagram store, you don't want to have 0 posts. You want to have at least 10, in my opinion. but I'm gonna put 21 on here because the rows go by 3, so that's 7 rows. So I'm gonna go and get a bunch of pictures, but I'm gonna create like a consistent theme. So what I'm gonna do is go and find a bunch of pictures of gold roses and of couples. So I'm gonna do a quick example here. I'm gonna go here, search couples, and there's a bunch of big couples pages. Let's find one that's public. So this is the first one I'm gonna use. It's a couple at the gym, so I'm gonna screenshot that. And for some reason it's not showing when I screenshot, but I did screenshot it. And then I'm gonna go to my notes and I'm gonna create a new one. Or no, I'm just gonna go down here, petralove.com. And then I'm gonna select all that, copy it, paste. So the theme that I'm thinking of right now is gonna be like a couple's picture, and then a rose picture, and then another couple's picture, and then a rose picture, and so forth. So I'm gonna do that until 21 posts, so I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I'm back now, and as you can see on my phone here, I have 21 posts. So as you can see my pattern, I sort of have like a couple's picture, and then a rose picture, and then a couple's picture, and a rose picture. So I'm not just only posting products. So when I'm forcing traffic from these influencers, these people are also going to be seeing the couple's pictures, and they're going to be able to relate to them and tag their friends or whatever, and they're also going to see the products. So it's a business page that's also a theme page, so I'm able to attract more of an audience and be able to make more and more sales. So guys, that's how I set up my Instagram accounts for my e-commerce companies. So I think that looks good so far, and we'll be able to use this and keep posting on it more and more when we launch. So now we have the Instagram set up, so that's a good thing. And now the next thing we need to do is install our Shopify apps into our store before we launch. So that's what we're gonna do now, so I'll see you on my computer. Okay guys, so now on my computer, and I'm gonna list all the Shopify apps, and then I'm gonna go actually into Shopify and install them and show you guys what they do and how to work them. So let's go here on my computer to the Google Doc, and we're gonna say Shopify apps needed. Okay, and the first one, a very important one, is called Consistent Cart and Activity Monitor. That's a great one. I love using that one. It's helped me a lot with the abandoned cart emails. So I'll go into more details once we actually get into my store. And the second one, of course, you need Overload. That's what you need for dropshipping. 3, we're gonna do Privy, which is like an email capturing system that you can use to get a bunch of email subscribers and have pop-ups appear and stuff like that. So we'll go into more in that when I install it. And the fourth one is going to be Sales Pop. So really, those are the only core 4 Shopify apps that you need in order to make your store a success. So you have abandoned carts, you have the dropshipping aspect, you have email capturing, and you have a marketing tactic. So you have basically everything you need within these 4 Shopify apps. So now I'm going to install